often asked about the term probate assets versus non-probate assets. Simply put, what that means is that probate assets are assets or accounts that were in the sole name of the now deceased person with no beneficiary designation on those accounts and no joint ownership over those accounts or assets. So for example, if Mr. Jones passes away and he had a house that was solely in his name, that value of that house is a probate asset. And by contrast, if Mr. Jones had a house in joint name between he and his wife, then that is not a probate asset, because the joint ownership means that when Mr. Jones passes away first, his 1/2 share of that asset goes automatically by right of survivorship to his wife. Another example of a non-probate asset would be life insurance policies, retirement accounts, or annuities, for example, because all of those types of assets or accounts have required beneficiary forms that designate the person who is to receive those assets upon the death of the owner. So it's important to know whether you're dealing with probate or non-probate assets, because that distinction can matter in terms of estate and inheritance taxes and the steps that the person has to take to make sure that the appropriate person gets those assets.